Hey, I'm Abdul Hamid R. Batugan, Officer in Charge, Chief of Provincial Environmental Monitoring Unit of Bukidnon. So, in behalf of the Environmental Management Bureau Region 10. Actually, sir, naami preparation na presentation but nakita ko yung presentation ni Honorable Gapol. Si same man mi ng presentation
Okay.
since during the MMT monitoring is kasama kami.
Naman mo.
Oh, so wala kami same lang yung presentation so hindi na ako present. And for the information everybody also after nung inspection ng MMT the City Malaybalay also we have conducted separate monitoring last Thursday with Senro Valencia and also yung picture yata na pinakita ni project engineer during last May 28 kasi gusto namin makita yung extent talaga ng damages. So during that inspection, so we find out talaga kung ano yung extent ng damages. So we come up with a report and such recommendation. Yung nasa lahat yung recommendation namin is for the issuance of notice of violation for operating without ECC. Since this portion, sir, yung pinakita ni the project, yung segment talaga is wala pa siyang environmental compliance certificate. Although before that segment from Patpat up to the Impalutaw is meron ng ECC, but this segment is wala pa siyang ECC. Although merong ongoing application for the whole stretch. Yung sinabi sir ni kanina ni DPWH na 115 kilometers na road wide. Ang nasa lodge sa amin is 156.85 if I'm not mistaken na application for the environmental impact system which is public participation. Second recommendation po namin is for the issuance of notice of violation in violation for the Republic Act Clean Water Act since for the impediment of water flow. And then third is the mitigating measures for the slope stabilization dun po sa cause ng siltation or soil erosion. At the same time, the fourth one is the rehabilitation of the damages. So yun po, nag-submit na po kami ng report for the regional office and then we are waiting for the issuance of notice of violation. So yun po for the stand for the Environmental Management Bureau Region 10.